Hello to everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a video. Today is March 21st. And what I want to do is show you guys how I was able to earn over $4,000 in 2 weeks utilizing this Done For You funnel. For those that don't know, I am a single mom of two and I work from home. I earn a full-time income from home utilizing the Power Lead system and showing others how to run cold traffic to this system and gain commissions on a regular basis. And as you can see, I just want to show you guys with this system, I am all in. They have a gold level, which is a $53 monthly fee. They have the diamond level, which is a one-time payment of $147. And there's a platinum level, which is a one-time payment of $497. And at the platinum level, you're able to earn unlimited $400 commissions. At the diamond level, you're able to earn unlimited $100 commissions. And at the gold level, you're able to earn $20 monthly commissions for each person that comes into the Power Lead system and stay an affiliate. So what I do is basically we have a Done For You funnel that we allow people to get plugged into utilizing a share code that we all can use. With this program, I've been in since September of 2017, and if you're consistent like I am and you are constantly running traffic, whether it's free or paid traffic, you are going to get results. And you know, when I first started out in September, my numbers wasn't this high. I wasn't making this much money. But as I became more consistent with utilizing the system, I was able to bring in more and more commissions, okay? And all we do is three steps, which is traffic generation, an auto responder that does the follow-ups for you, and then we have a way that you blast your list. So when we have Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday trainings, we're just blasting our list, bringing people back to the information about the Power Lead system and how it can help you to build a full-time income online. And it's really that simple. So what I wanted to do is show people live me going in and actually having this money transferred over to my bank account, which happens within 24 hours. We do get paid every single Wednesday, okay? So we get paid out weekly. And, you know, this company has been around for quite some time and for years, actually. And my sponsor has been in the program for over 4 years, earning a full-time income, living in New York City. For people that don't know, it's extremely expensive. So that just goes to show you, that's what made me a believer, because if someone can live off of this full-time in New York City, that means that they're doing a pretty good job. So the Power Lead system is connected with Paylution, which allows you to transfer your funds to your bank account. And all you have to do is once you connect your bank account information, you just hit transfer the maximum funds, which is $4,517.36. Hit continue, and then this money will be available to me within the next 1 to 2 days. Now, if you don't want to use Paylution, you can also get a card, and with the card, you can have the money transferred over to your account that way as well. So I just went ahead and I transferred this money into my account. Going into the Power Lead system and my commissions earned. So far, I've earned over $1,900 for this week. Last week, I earned $2,100. And then a week before that, I earned a total of $2,600. And you know, from week to week, it does fluctuate how much you earn based on how many people, you know, the time of the month, how many people are getting in the program, how much traffic you're running. But it is pretty consistent. And as you can see, when I first got into the program in September, I was earning $32, $112, $300, $500. But as time accumulated and I was pumping more and more traffic through my funnel, I received more and more commissions. So it just goes to show you, it's with consistency. Once you get in the program, being committed to the process and allowing the funnel to do the work for you, which means basically getting people plugged in, and then the funnel takes care of everything else. If you are not yet involved or had a look at our Freedom Takers group, you will want to do so, because the Freedom Takers group shows you how to get plugged in and get started to start earning commissions consistently on a daily basis utilizing this Done For You system. I'm just here to inspire others, to let people know that it is possible to earn a full-time income from home, and it is not hard or difficult. This is an easy way to get your feet wet. Even it's even newbie friendly, and it'll help you to start building a list and generating traffic on a daily basis. So thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. If you want more information, you can reach out to me. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.